Hello guys, welcome to the second video. So now let me share with you my whiteboard. So this is the let me just organize here. Okay. So guys, this is the page. You will need to have your page like this. So I have here the title, comparing houses. And I have the three types of houses here. So the Celtic, Tudor, and the Victorian house. This sign, the first block, will be just for outside key features. Just key features outside. And here, this part here, these three blocks, will be for inside. So I have my drawings here with me. You can have your drawings with you, so we can write about the three types of houses together. Okay, so let's have a look first of all to the Celtic roundhouse. Pick up your drawing about the Celtic roundhouse and we will write over here the key features of the Celtic roundhouse. So the first thing is the Celtic roundhouse had no windows. Great job. So no windows. Let me just write in black. Okay, so here, no windows. That's the first key feature. Let's go to the second key feature. The walls. The walls were made with water and daub. Really good. So let's write here walls, water, and daub. Great. So no windows and the walls with water and daub. The third key feature of the Tudor house, the Celtic roundhouse. Let me see here. The roof. The roof with the straw and mud. Remember that? Great. And the roof also had a hole in the middle of the roof. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's it. I will put here again the roof with a hole in the middle. Great. So here we have the key features of the Celtic roundhouse. Just looking to the outside of the house. So let's go now to the Tudor houses. Outside Tudor houses. So let me get my drawing here, and I have there. The first thing, Tudor houses, the walls were made with water and daub, the same as the Celtic roundhouse. So let's write here walls, water, and daub. Great. That's the first thing. Second, the timber. So I have here the timber, which is this black coat on the walls also. So we have this wooden frame. So we can put here wooden frame and this black coat called timber. with timber. This wooden frame, they put this coat, this timber. And we have the roof. So the roof was the steep roof, so like this, steep roof. No hole in the middle of the roof anymore, right? The jetty, which is this, the upper floor is sticking out of the house. So we have the jetty, which is the upper floor. And we have this small piece of glass. So I will write here this tiny panes of glass in the window. So I will write here window, right? And let's go now to the Victorian house. Victorian house. The first thing that I have here, the gable. So the gable, it was in the roof. So I have here roof, gable, and the gingerbread details. Gingerbread details. This was in the roof, right? And we also have here the walls with this fish scale. Remember that? Shingles. What else? The walls, let me see here. Great. The window. Windows. Windows. Here, many windows, and what they call the bay window. So this window is sticking out of the house. So we write here bay windows. And just write bay windows. What else can we find here? The chimney, more than one. Chimney. Remember here, the Tudor houses also have the chimney. So, but just one. So I will write here chimney. We put here chimney. Great. And the tower here in the Victorian house. The tower. Remember the tower? Right. What they call turret. So here we have the key features of these three types of houses, but just having a look outside of the house. So let's go now inside of the houses, okay? So let's see this presentation. So let's have a look just to the Celtic roundhouse inside. One room, one big room, and the fire in the middle, some decorated walls. Can you see that? So one big room, decorated walls, and the fire in the middle of the house. So let's come back there. we have inside of the Celtic roundhouse the one in the middle of the house, one big room, and the fire in the middle of the house, one big room, and decorated walls. Right. This is the Celtic roundhouse inside. So let's have a look now to the second, which is the Tudor house. So that's the Tudor house outside, and this is the Tudor house inside. So outside, inside. So we have here more rooms, not only one, more rooms, and the piece of furniture, normal piece of furniture, and yeah, that's it. So normal rooms and piece of furniture. So we have here many rooms and different piece of furniture. Right? And let's check now the last type of house, which is the Victorian house. So that's the outside of the Victorian house, and here inside. As you can see, if we compare the Tudor house and the Victorian house, inside the Victorian house is more beautiful than the Tudor house. So the walls are very decorated, and here we have some piece of furniture, different piece of furniture. We have a piano here, so we can write here on our whiteboard the many rooms again, and beautiful piece of furniture. Beautiful pieces of furniture. Great. So here we have this. Now we have a comparison about the three types of houses that we studied. So here is outside, and this one inside. So great job, guys. Great job. So, well, if you have any questions, you can write me down an email. So this type of exercise is really cool because we can see how the houses, what the houses were like a long time ago, and we can compare and see the differences and similarities about these houses. So, well, guys, see you in the next class, which is the cooking class. And during the cooking class, we will be making an ice cream in a bag. So see you guys. Bye bye.